To address the Electrolux Dishwasher Code I50, it is essential to understand what this code signifies. The appearance of code I50 on an Electrolux dishwasher indicates a pump malfunction. Several factors can contribute to this issue, including electrical faults that disrupt normal pump functioning and clogged filter screens or a clogged sump. To resolve this problem, a few potential solutions can be employed. Firstly, a hard restart can be initiated by turning off the appliance, disconnecting it from the power outlet, waiting at least 30 seconds, and then re-plugging and powering it on. Alternatively, cleaning the sump and filters can also be an effective solution. This involves turning off the appliance, disconnecting it from the power supply, opening the dishwasher's door, removing the lower basket, and twisting the lower spray arm to access the filters. The filters should then be pulled out, washed with a sponge, and rinsed thoroughly with water before being dried with a cloth or towel. Additionally, any foam, suds, or debris should be cleared from the sump before refitting the filters. After completing these steps, the appliance can be re-plugged, powered on, and a test cycle run to determine if the code has been cleared.